Hi, smart learners. Welcome back to Smart Learn Hub. Let's dive right in. So, in our ever-evolving digital world, you might have heard people talking about AI taking over jobs. Here at Smart Learn Hub, we love to explore new tech and help you become a smarter, more productive version of yourself. And today we're diving into an exciting question. Can free AI tools actually replace us humans? You know those AI tools that are making waves online like ChatGPT, AI art generators, and AI video editors? Well, the answer might surprise you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay updated. Also, stick around until the end because we have a cool surprise for you. Now let's get started. You see, every day we find ourselves writing emails, creating graphics, and managing countless small tasks. These everyday activities eat up a lot of our time. So it's natural to wonder if AI tools can help us save time and effort. After all, studies show that AI can now do some tasks 40% faster than us. But here's the real question. Should we be worried or excited? Well, let's dive into the world of AI and see if these tools are a potential game changer. First, let's talk about writing. Whether you're crafting emails or creating content, writing is something we all do every day. So I put ChatGPT up against my own writing skills to see which one came out on top. I gave both of us the same prompt. Write a 200-word motivational speech about the importance of following your dreams. And well, let's see what happened. ChatGPT finished first as always, spitting out a speech in seconds. My speech took a few minutes, and when I read both of them, I noticed something interesting. ChatGPT's speech was good. It had the right message, but it felt a bit robotic and lacked the personal touch that I tried to add in mine. On the other hand, my speech, though longer, had more emotion and creativity. It reflected my unique voice and experiences. So while AI can speed up the writing process, it can't quite replace the power of human storytelling and emotion just yet. Next, let's talk about image creation. In the age of social media, creating eye-catching visuals is essential. From designing social media posts to creating marketing materials, images play a crucial role. So I challenged AI art to go head-to-head against my graphic design skills. For this showdown, I used a popular AI art tool and gave it a prompt to create a YouTube thumbnail that says the future is yours. Now let's compare it to the thumbnail I designed myself. The AI-generated thumbnail was stunning. The colors were vibrant, the typography was modern, and the overall design was captivating. My design, on the other hand, had a bit of a personal touch. I chose a color scheme that I felt represented the message of the image, and I added design elements that I thought would resonate with the target audience. Both designs were great, but there was one thing that stood out to me. The AI design was technically perfect. Every element was precisely placed, and the color harmony was flawless. However, my design had a certain charm and creativity that was missing from the AI-generated one. It had a bit of an unexpected twist that made it more memorable. So while AI can create visually stunning and technically perfect images, it can't quite replace the creativity and emotional connection that humans bring to the table just yet. But what about video editing? Videos are becoming an increasingly important part of our digital lives. From creating tutorials to sharing stories, video editing is a skill that many of us have had to learn. So I put a popular AI video generator to the test. To make things fair, I uploaded the same script into the AI tool and compared the output to a video I edited myself. The AI-generated video was incredible. It had smooth transitions, perfect pacing, and high-quality visuals. The entire video was ready to go in just a few minutes. My edit, on the other hand, took a bit longer. I spent time choosing the right clips and adding personal touches that I felt would connect with the audience. When it comes to video editing, AI has come a long way and it can produce impressive results. However, there's still something to be said for the creativity and storytelling ability of a human editor. An AI can match your pace or follow your script, but it is hard to beat the intuition and experience of a human when it comes to creating a compelling narrative. So the big question is, can AI replace us? Well, let's face it, AI is becoming more and more advanced every day. It can process information faster, generate realistic images, and even edit videos with ease. But as I've shown you today, it still has its limits. So the answer is no, not yet anyway. AI can do many things faster and more efficiently than us humans, but it can't quite replace the creativity, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving skills that we bring to the table. Think about it this way. AI is like a powerful tool in a toolbox. It's fast, efficient, and can tackle many tasks with ease. But a toolbox is only as good as the person using it. A skilled craftsperson can use the right tool for the job and get the most out of it. Similarly, humans have the ability to be creative, to connect with others on an emotional level, and to solve problems in ways that AI say and even imagine. Yes, AI is advancing rapidly, and who knows what the future may hold. But for now, humans are still the ones in control. We the ones who can decide how to use AI to enhance our lives and make our jobs easier. So instead of worrying about being replaced by AI, we should be excited about the possibilities. The future isn't about AI replacing us. It's about us using AI to our advantage. It's about finding the right balance between the power of technology and the power of the human touch. But I'm curious to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Will AI replace humans, or will it always be a tool that enhances our abilities? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.